Unlock the full vlogging potential of your Canon EOS 2000d and elevate your content. First, switch your camera to movie mode using the mode dial. This optimizes your Canon 2000d for video recording. Next, navigate to your video settings. For crisp, clear footage, choose Full HD 1920 by 1080 at 25 or 30 frames per second. Audio is crucial for vlogging. While the 2000d lacks a dedicated mic input, you can use a hot shoe mounted external microphone. These connect via the hot shoe directly to recording devices or even your phone, sensing audio later. For stable shots, a compact tripod or a GorillaPod is essential. This eliminates shaky footage and keeps your audience engaged. When recording, remember to maintain eye contact with the lens. Natural lighting is best, so position yourself facing a window. Practice makes perfect. Record short clips, review them, and adjust your settings and framing as needed. With these tips, your Canon EOS 2000d is ready to capture high-quality vlogs and bring your stories to life. Happy vlogging!